Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. First off, let everybody know there's nothing wrong with your sound. We're actually congested. We got something going on. Probably the first cold of the year, no doubt. Now that people aren't wearing their masks or anything, you got your regular bugs out there wandering around.
Well, my excuse is I'm working with kids and they're coughing on me, so I'm not prepared for that.
Alrighty, so today we have the Stephanie Stitches box. We're going to open that. It's her winter project box. Oh, real pretty blue paper. And I've only got one light on in here because Sherry's eyes are really bothering her. So
mostly the right eye. I can't see very good out of it, and light bothers it.
So it says, welcome to the winter edition of the project box. The colors of winter are so lovely, but the chill is not. So I've included something to help warm you up. I choose the fabric line because it reminds me. Oh, she chose this fabric line. It reminds her of the winters here in Ohio. So she is in Ohio. From the colors to the cardinals. Come sew the project with me on YouTube channel Stephanie Stitches on November 6th. So that's today at 5 o'clock tonight.
Hey, that's an hour and a half.
So let's show you what's in the box. So first off, you want to show that?
Cocoa Latte Marshmallow Topper. Oh, and it's got a little package of Swiss Miss in it. Isn't that cute?
Oh yeah, look at that marshmallow. That is adorable.
Yeah, I can't do any of those hot cocoa bombs. And if you know, you know.
And I don't know. Oh, I heard somebody was being sued over
That's
it.
That's what I was going to say.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's being sued over it, yes.
We'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so then we have this really pretty Aurifil thread, and it is 2710. It's a really nice, pretty blue. Actually, it looks darker in there than it does in...
It does.
I know, because it kind of looks like a powder blue here, but I don't know.
Maybe it is a little bit darker. Maybe because the lights are off.
Maybe. But I love the color blue.
It's pretty.
My color. Here we go. We got some 5-inch squares. Charm pack. Oh, that's pretty.
You see it? Is it clear?
There and then you can flip it on the back, and then they can see all the different... That's all the different kind of fabrics that come in it. Yeah, she'll have to play around with her.
There we go.
There you go. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. And then we have... Oh, this is cold. I think this is a yard of fabric. The Flurries print, sky print. It looks like it's got little, looks like little snowflakes. Or little pieces of snow. Okay. And then there is...
There's your snowflake
I think that's the colonial snowflake for the backing, isn't it?
I don't know. Look at this. Because there's more snowflake here.
Okay, wait a minute. One says holly leaves. What are the holly leaves?
I don't know.
Well, that's the
Do you
snowflake.
Have a picture of anything?
Be this one. No. That's got to be holly leaf print for a background. That's got to be it.
Is that the holly leaf? I mean, it looks like a bunch of circles to me.
No, look, they're the little holly leaves. They're all wrapped around.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay.
I really can't see.
7/8 yard of holly reef print for the background. Okay.
Yep.
It's still blue.
Hopefully everybody can see that okay. I think so. All
I
right.
like blue. And then this one here is 1/4 yards of colonial snowflake for the backing.
This, I like this. Oh,
this is
so pretty.
And then we have a Charming Prism pattern. That's the pattern.
It's the plastic that it's in. That's why it keeps doing that.
I know. And then
That's
you saw the
nice.
large spool of thread, and that's actually called Robin's Egg. That's that color. And then they have the Acorn Easy Press Precision Piecing Pin and Solution. So the two together, they go together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was reading it as you said it.
These two together here. And so the total value of the box was $86.96. It's going to contain everything that you need to complete the top, the binding, the backing of your project, and she's included the pressing pin that she's been asked about so many times because she feels it truly makes those seams as flat as possible. She says, next year, I can't believe it's time to talk about next year already. Stephanie is going to continue with her seasonal project boxes. Thanks to all the support that she has received and the encouragement to keep on going. She's going to be adding 3 holiday edition boxes. So she's got a Valentine's coming out, a 4th of July, and a Christmas. Okay, and look at this beautiful little paper that she printed that out on the paper there. See that, the little clouds up there in the sky? And then at the bottom? That's a nice little stationery. Okay, that was everything in the box. I'll lay it down here, and I'll have Sherry step out, so I'll put a different kind of lighting on so that you can see it over the table.
I'm being geeked out of the room.
Not being kicked out. You're only going to step out because the lights hurt your eyes right now.
Yes, okay.
She's got issues with her eyes
I
again.
brought shades, but they're still not dark enough for me. So,
whew. Alrighty. Alright. I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. I got it laid down here. And like I said, I really like that paper that she put that on. That is the prettiest paper, and it makes you feel like it is winter outside. I love it when the snow lands on the trees like that. I think that is just beautiful. And then it looks like there is actually snow in the sky based on this picture here. Just put that underneath there. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful fabric. Now I feel like this is a better representation of the colors of the fabric. Same with the color on the thread there. See, it looks a little bit different now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And thank you, Stephanie. What a wonderful, wonderful box. This is going to be a really nice project to make. And I'll put Stephanie's information down below so that you guys, if you didn't catch this box, I don't know if she's out or not, but if you didn't catch it, I'll put information down below so that you can go and get it off of her Etsy shop. Okay? Well, that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.